was tough, especially in the dust. I mean, we got passed in the straight line by the Can-Ams and stuff, but at least we're here at the end, and we look forward to the next few days, and yeah, hopefully we can continue just this finishing routine and I mean make it to the end.
Today went actually quite well. I think the first split we were in 8th position, and then we saw Saud stopped, and we stopped to see if we could assist him. Unfortunately we couldn't, so we had to leave him there. We carried on going. It was reasonable, and we are in service, and we're happy for that.
Unfortunately, he stopped, I think, after waypoint 1. We really don't know what happened with the car. All we know is that he lost oil and had to be towed out of the stage. So we're waiting for the car to get back and assess the situation and take it from there.
No, we had another frustrating day. I caught the car in front of me, obviously in the dust. Came over a crest with some really big rocks. I still shouted at Dennis, is it not in the road book? And he said no. So we just clipped the one rock, had a puncture. Then I saw Seth on the side of the road. I stopped with him, and he told me no, his whole underbelly is full of oil. So there's nothing we could do to help him. So we continued. Very frustrating day. So we'll have to try again tomorrow.
Well, it's part of the rally and the learnings for me, because I never had the experience before of opening a Dakar stage. So it was very tricky in the beginning. It was more my fault than Armin, because I was still pushing very hard, and maybe when you are leading, opening the lines, you need to slow down just a little bit and make sure you are on the right path. But still finish very close to the top 10. We are in a great position overall in 4th. And tomorrow start the dunes of 20 quarters, so looking forward to it.